Assalamualaikum students, how are you? Are you fine? I hope so. This is me Alireza. Today we are going to learn about divisibility. Okay, divisibility. This is grade 4 and grade 5 topic. So you have to learn. This is for beginners of mathematics. Today we will learn about divisibility rule from up to 2 to 10. Okay, 2 to 10. Why we use divisibility? Because if there is a much bigger number and I am saying that can it divided by 4, you will find your pen and paper and you will solve. There is much time needed to solve this bigger problem and the whole division. This is a long division. Okay, how can you tell me directly the answer that yes or no? It can be divided by 4 or it cannot be divided by 4. I am saying that yes, it can be divided by 4. How? Inshallah, you will learn all the divisibility rules in this video, and after this video, without pen and paper, you can easily solve that this can be divided by this divisor or not. Okay, so let's start. First, we are going to learn divisibility rule for 2. You know that 2 is the even number, and every number, any number, can be divided by 2 if there is a even digit in the last. In the last, if there is an even digit, the whole number can be divided by 2. Let's suppose I am giving you some examples here. 3, 4. This can be divided by 2, yes, because 4 is even number. 3, 0, 0, 0, 0, 4, 4, 6, 8. This is much bigger number, but now you can easily say yes because this is 8 in the last. 8 is even digit, so it can be divided by 2. 4, 1, 3, 4, 4, 1, 5. This can be divided by 2. No, because there is a 5 in the last. Okay, so even digit in the last, in the ones place, if there is an even digit, it can be divided by 2. The whole biggest number can be divided by 2. Now we are moving to the divisibility rule of 3. Okay, so the divisibility rule for 3 is sum of all digits can be divisible by 3, then the whole number can be divisible by 3. Let's suppose 1, 2, 3, 6 can be divided by 3. Yes or no? How can we find easily? By using the divisibility rule. The sum of all digits, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6. 6 plus 3, and this 6 will be 12. And 12 can be divided by 3. Yes. 4. If this yes can be divided by 3, the sum can be divided by 3, then the whole number can also be divided by 3. Yes, it can be divided by 3. Okay, let's suppose I am giving you here 1, 4, 6 can be divided by 3. So you will say, sir, 1 plus 4 plus 6, this is 10 and 11. 11 cannot be divided by 3, so this whole number cannot be divided by 3. Now easily you can find the much bigger number can be divided by 3 or not. Only just simplify, add the digits, and the sum can be divided by 3, then the whole number can be divided by 3. Now move on to the divisibility rule of 4. Okay, so the divisibility rule for 4 is if the last 2 digits can be divisible by 4, then the whole number can be divisible by 4. Okay, let's suppose I am giving you example 4, 3, 4, 4, 6, 4, 4 can be divided by 4. You will tell me, sir, 44. The last 2 digits can be divisible by 4. Yes, then this can be divided by 4. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 8. This can be divided by 4. Yes, this can be divided by 4 because the last 2 digits are 28, and you know that 28 can be divided by 4. Yes, so the whole number can be divided by 4. It is easy? Yes, it is very easy. Now we are moving further for the divisibility rule of 5. Okay, so the divisibility rule for 5. If in the ones place of any number, if 0 or 5 is there in the ones place, you know ones place very well, then that number can be divided by 5. Let's suppose 5 5 0 0 0 5 0. This can be divided by 5. Yes, because last digit is 0. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 5. This can be divided by 5. Yes, because last digit is 5. But without 0 and 5 in the ones place, we cannot say that the number can be divided by 5. Only if 0 is there or 5 is there, then the number can be divisible by 5. Now moving to the divisibility rule of 6. If the number can be divisible by 2 and the number can be divisible by 3 both, then that number can be divisible by 6. Let's suppose I am giving you here example 6 6 2 4. This will be 6 6 2 4. It can be divisible by 6, so we can find that can it be divided by 2? Yes, because there is a 4. Can it be divided by 3? Let's find 6 6 2 4. This is a 6 6 6 18, and 18 can be divided by 3. Yes, so now this number can be divided by 2 also, and this can be divided by 3 also, so this can be divided by 6 also. Otherwise, if it can be divided by 2 but not can be divided by 3, so it cannot be divided by 6. If it can be divided by 3 but not 2, so it cannot be divided by 6. The rule says that the number should be divided by 2 and 3 both. And here is the example, so I hope you understood the rule. Okay, so divisibility rule for 7 says double the last digit and subtract it from given number, then the answer should be divided by 7. Let's suppose I am giving you here 651. It can be divided by 7, yes or no. So the last digit is 1. 1 should be doubled. You know, for double we have to multiply by 2. Now 65. Okay, given here remaining number, sorry. So this is the double, the remaining digits are 65. Now 65 minus 2, the answer is 63. Now tell me, is it divisible by 7? 63 divisible by 7? Yes, this can be divided by 7. So this also can be divided by 7. Only this is the rule for 7. Now we are moving further and faster to the rules. The rule for 8. Last 3 digits of any number. I am not writing the full definition, I am just giving you concept. If the last 3 digits are divisible by 8, then the whole number can be divisible by 8. Okay. Now let's suppose 1, 2, 0, 0, 24 and 8. This can be divided by 8, yes or no? Last 3 digits we have to find that it can be divided by 2. So 2, 4, 8 divided by 8. You know that 8 times what is 24? 3. Minus nothing. Bring down this 8. 8 times 1 is 8. 0. It means that yes, it can be divided by 8. So the whole number can be divided by 8. Okay? That's all. Now we are moving to the divisibility rule for 9. The rule says that if the sum is divisible by 9, then the whole number can be divided by 9. Let's suppose I am giving you 7 to 9 can be divided by 9, yes or no? So the sum is 7 plus 2 plus 9. You know that 9 is 18. Now 18 can be divided by 9. Yes. So the whole number can be divided by 9 also. That's all. Now we are moving further to the last digit. Okay, the last digit is 10. The rule says if there is a 0 in one's place, then that number can be divided by 10. Okay, let's suppose I am giving you 340 can be divided by 10. Yes, because there is a 0. 44550 can be divided by 10. Yes, because there is a 0. 3445 can be divided by 10. No, because there is no any 0. So students, that's all about divisibility rule. And why we use divisibility rule, why we learn, why grade 4 students, grade 5, grade 6 students are learning divisibility rule, because of that how can they solve MCQs type questions in brain, okay, using mind, mentally they can solve without any pen, without any paper, without any calculator. So I hope you loved this video and you understood what I taught you. And I do not want anything from you, only the subscription of my channel, like the video, share the video, nothing else. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Thank you.